In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing and you're ready to clear it out quickly, this walkthrough will show you the exact clicks to make, along with a few helpful tips to stay safe while you tidy up. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in if you're prompted. Give the page a moment to load so Gmail can display your messages and the toolbar we'll use. You don't need any special settings for this. Everything we're doing is built into the standard Gmail interface on desktop. Next, choose where you want to clean up. Click into the folder or label that holds the messages you want to remove. This might be Inbox, Promotions, Social, or any custom label you've created. Starting in a focused area makes bulk actions more predictable. If you're aiming to remove a specific type of message, consider narrowing your view first with a quick search, like a sender name or a date filter, so you only delete what you truly don't need. Now look to the very top left of your message list and click the small checkbox above your emails. This selects all the messages currently visible on the page. By default, Gmail usually shows a limited number per page, so this is your starting point. You'll also see a tiny drop-down arrow next to the checkbox. This opens a selection menu we're about to use. From that selection menu, click on All. Choosing All tells Gmail to select every visible email in this view. After you do this, Gmail may display a banner that offers to select all conversations that match your current view, not just the ones on the first page. If you truly want to clear everything in that folder or filter, use that prompt so you don't miss messages that are on subsequent pages. With your emails selected, click the Delete icon, the trash can, on the toolbar. Gmail will move the selected messages to trash. If you act by mistake, look for the Undo option that briefly appears along the bottom of the screen. It's the fastest way to reverse the action. Keep in mind, items in trash are retained for around 30 days before they're permanently removed, so you have a safety window to restore anything important. That's it. You've learned how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. Go to Gmail, choose the folder or label, select messages with the top left checkbox, choose All, then Delete. Clean up confidently, review before you remove, and enjoy a lighter, more manageable inbox.